conditions for consistency in linear equations. Okay, this is the main important rule. Without finding the solution of any previous methods, we can say directly the solution, how the solution it is. We'll get one solution or infinitely many solutions. Otherwise, there is no solution. These are the three cases. Let us see. Before that, some consider. Let me take two linear equations. Consider the system of equations. Then the form of like a1x plus b1y is equals to c1. So here a1, b1, c1 are the real numbers. General form of linear equation. And a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Let it be these two are the equations. Now we have three conditions. Let us see the case 1 first. In this case 1, so if you, for example, from this, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So from the linear equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2. From this both, in case the a1 by a2 means x coefficients division and y coefficients division, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then we can use this intersecting, they will be intersect, we'll get one unique solution. Okay, only unique solution and they said to be consistent. So let's take one example and I'll show. So for example, let me take two linear equations. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Okay, this is the equation 1, and one more is 3x minus y is equals to 3. Okay, let be these two are the equations. If you solve graphically, we'll get only unique solution because it satisfies the a1 by a2. So here is the coefficients. X coefficient is a1. This is b1, and this a2 and b2 is minus 1. Okay, we call that 2 divided by x coefficient is 2, and in second equation x coefficient is 3. 2 by 3, and here is 3 is a minus 1. So 2 by 3 is not equals to 3 by minus 1. They both are not equal. So surely you will get only unique solution. Right? If you draw the graph for these two, okay, just graphically if we solve x-axis and y-axis, so you'll get only one solution. So just you get hardly two straight lines. You'll get some two straight lines, and we'll get only the common solution. So only one solution you get. So in case, so is the first case. If a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then it's a consistent, so have a unique solution. So only one solution you get for this system of linear equations. That will be consistent because only one solution, right? And next case, if you see the case 2, these are the other two. In this same linear equations, if the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to again b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. In case is this happen exactly, then we have infinitely many solutions are said to be dependent. That means one line, on that line you get one more line again. So these are two linear equations. No, if you draw one straight line, for second linear equation also same, on that points only you will get another line. Then they have infinitely many solutions. Let me explain with example. So for example, if you take minus 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 5. So one of the linear equation, and one more is 9 by 2x minus 6y is equals to 15 by 2. Let it be this you take. Now let us check this a1 by a2. So if you observe, minus 3 is a1 and this is b1 c1, right? a2 b2 and c2. Minus 3 by 9 by 2, and next is 4 by minus 6, and this minus 5 by 15 by 2. This equal or not, once can verify. So minus 3 by 9 by 2. This is minus 6 by 9. 2 can is reciprocal. And this one, if you simplify this, 3 table. 3 2s are 3 3s are. So minus 2 by 3 I got for this. And this also same 2, 3. Same. That is equals to minus 2 by 3. And this one minus 5 into 2 by 15. 5 ones are 5 3s are. Same minus 2 by 3 we got. So that means according to this case, if you draw the graph, x-axis, y-axis and x-axis, if you take the graph and draw for this, like graphically if you solve. So for first equation, we'll get one line. So one straight line will come. Again for another second equation also we'll get again on the same. So on this line, again we'll get one more line. That means two lines will be coincide. So these two will come on the same. That means wherever you can take, there are infinitely many solutions. Only for this case, if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, the condition is, so we'll have infinitely many solutions, right? First case is only unique solution. Okay, for this is unique solution, and this case is many solutions, so infinitely. So this is infinitely many solutions. And one more, case 3, you see there is a unique solution we have and infinitely many solutions. And this third one is no solution. Some cases linear equations if we take, there is no any solution also. That is only in the case a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. This case, in this type of case, we'll get the two lines are parallel. So let me show an example. Let us take the linear equations. 2x plus 3y is equals to 5, and one more is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 6. Let it be. So in this x coefficient 2 divided by, here is x coefficient is 1 by 3 and here is y coefficient is 3 by, here is down y coefficient is 1 by 2. Here is a 5 and 6. So 2 by 1 by 3, that is 6, is equals to 3 by 1 by 2, reciprocal is 6. So these both are equal and this is not equals to 5 by 6. Right? So according to this, if you draw the graph for this both linear equations, then we'll get two parallel lines. So it is x-axis and y-axis. For one equation, if you get one line, straight line, and if you take one more equation, if you do the graph, you'll get one more straight line, but they will be parallel, so they will never be intersect. This example I took. If you draw one line, so you'll get there's no intersecting point. There is no intersecting point. These two are parallel lines. So because of this are parallel, so no solution for this because of straight line. So having no solution, no common solution because this is completely parallel. So these are the case. In this case, these are parallel. So three cases we have. First one is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, unique solution. And a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, all are same throughout. This infinitely many solutions. If first two are equal and c1 by c2 is not equal to with this, then there is no solution. The lines are parallel. Right? These are the three important cases, conditions for consistency in the linear equation. So without doing graphically, just by seeing the question, we can say which type of solution you get. Okay, these are the information regarding linear equations.